In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Pancake Swap with the Binance Smart Chain using Binance. So this is actually super easy. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So the first thing you have to do, you have to download Metamask into your Chrome web browser. So make sure you use the Chrome web browser on your PC. Go to it, chrome.com/webstore, and then we want to type in Metamask. So when we do this, this comes up and this is the one we want to download by metamask.io. Just hit it and then add to Chrome, and now it's going to add this extension to our Chrome website. So to our browser, I'm sorry. So as you can see, there it is. Here is MetaMask, so we can go ahead and get started. We can just skip it or create wallet. So hit I agree, there we go. Then enter in a password and accept the terms. That's what I'm going to do right now. Just like that. I've read it and then make and hit remind me later. Okay, there we go. Now we set it up. What we want to do now, go to Pancake Swap or any page and open up the extension. So go to extensions and hit MetaMask right here. Now this is going to open and we want to add a network. We want to change this to the Binance Smart Chain. So by default, this is on the main network of Ethereum. So we want to change it. And as you can see right here, it's not available. There is no Binance Smart Chain. So we want to go ahead and hit Advanced RPC. Sorry, this is in Dutch. I will explain everything. This is Advanced RPC. And then enter in the network name. So I have my notepad right here that we have to enter in exactly like this. I put this in the link down in the description or just in the description. Copy it, network name. This is the RPC. Want to put it in there. The chain ID is this and the symbol is BNB and the block Explorer is bcscan.com. So go ahead and copy this and paste it in here and then hit save. And as you can see, now we have added the Binance Smart Chain, which we can open. So you also get a notification. A malicious network provider can lie about it. So make sure you're doing this yourself and you stay safe. So don't do this if it's like a scammy trick, okay? Make sure you don't do that. Then we can go back over here, and now we created the smart chain from Binance. So basically what this means, the Binance coins is the fuel of this. As you have it on Ethereum on the main network, you need Ethereum to buy stuff. Now it is Binance coin. So let's go back to Binance smart chain we just created. And now you have to go to the following website, bcscan.com. And here we have to search the address. So go to the MetaMask extension again, and then copy it, copy your account. As you can see now, we copy it, paste it in here. So let's paste. There we go. Hit search, and now it's going to search. And as you can see, this is what we just created. The balance is 0, Binance coins, of course, but this is the address. So go ahead and copy it to your clipboard, go to Binance, and now we can send it to this address. So you want to go to wallet overview, and then you want to go to fiat and spot, the first one, and now find the Binance coin. So it's this one, BNB. Hit withdraw. And then here comes the new thing. You have to enter in the recipient BNB address, which is the one we have just copied from the from this website, BCC Scan. And then, of course, now we want to select the Binance Smart Chain we just selected, we created on MetaMask. So you again get a reminder, for safety of your funds, please confirm again that the network you wish is BSC. So that's what we have to do. And now we can send an amount in BNB to this address. So that's what you want to do. You can do like 100. You can do any amount. And as you can see, the transaction fees, yeah, they are a little bit. I don't have enough balance, but that's what you want to do, and then submit. So once you have sent the BNB to your MetaMask, you will have a balance there. So when you go to the MetaMask extension again and you open it, here will show the amount you just sent. So of course for me it will be 0 because I haven't sent anything, but this will be very fast. It will be sent like immediately, instantly to this account because not a lot of users are actually using it. So this is where your balance will come up. So right now you will have a balance on your Metamask as I just showed you and as you can see. And now when you go to Pancake Swap, you can go to pools and you can basically send some big coins to them and then you can get a return for it. So here on pools, here are all the available pools that you can do on Pancake Swap. So you can see all the information right here. The API or APR depends on the pool is 90% for this one, 147%. You can go to details right here. Total staked, like a lot of cake. Performance fee is 2%. You can view the product side and the contact information. So you can see this one is the only auto, I believe. The rest is all manual. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually buy some tokens. So to go into the pools, so let's do a cake just for this example, but you can do any one for any pool. What you want to do for that, go to trade right here, go to exchange, and here we can change the Binance coins that we send to our MetaMask right here to another currency. Select currency, you can do anything you want. Let's scroll down. Yeah, even save moon if you want that. I mean, yeah. We want to do cake, this one. And there you go. Then you can send it 10 or 100. Unlock wallet and then you can use it. And yeah, the way what you want to do to connect your wallet, so to connect to your MetaMask is go to the top and it will be automatically because you've installed the Chrome extension. So hit connect. Select the first one. MetaMask is the most used for this, I believe. And yeah, I definitely recommend you to use this. And now it comes up, the MetaMask one. And here, this comes. Your account we just created through the smart chain. And hit next. This is connect to the account. View the addresses, make sure it's right. Then hit connect. And there you go. Boom. You're all set. This is the same thing as, let's get it here. As this one, and you successfully connected, and you can get the balance that is on your MetaMask to cake right here. So it is actually super easy. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.